2nd December, which is Mayank's birthday! And there is the birthday boy! So, cake is ready. Cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake, his favorite cheesecake. And then we are going to cut the cake, and why not share the cake cutting with you guys. So it's 12:30 right now, and then we're gonna cut the cake, and tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up late because it's Sunday, and we are going to celebrate his birthday with some nice surprises and some very nice dinner. So we'll share with you that tomorrow, but first now let's go cut the cake.
You have to make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mayank. Happy birthday to you. Mommy, it's Daddy's birthday. Wow, are you excited? Daddy's birthday.
The world's best
Daddy's birthday, come over here. It's Daddy's birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday. It's Daddy's birthday.
Good morning. So Mayank is freshening up, and I'm quickly gonna make our bed and then go out for a walk with Marvel. So yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. As you can see, it's not rainy, it's not sunny, so it's perfect day to do outdoor things and just roam around and have fun, enjoy the day. So let's make some bed. And yes, I do have my bag ready here that is gonna go for donation. We have some clothes, so we keep sorting our clothes and give it for donation like time to time. So that bag is gonna go for donation. And it's a beautiful morning. Let me show you Marvel. There he is.
I heard you do. We can shake up the world. We don't wanna get all mixed up in some fairy tale. And I don't wanna waste my life, but you don't wanna miss your time. You don't wanna get too caught up in the money trail. It's alright tonight.
And yes, I don't know whether you guys saw this or not, but I got brand new nails. So I got acrylic nails done. This is a very light color, so that's pink and white. So I don't have any problem in my workplace. And look at this. It looks so pretty. It's my first time doing it, and I always thought that it's gonna feel very weird in the nail or very kind of heavy. So while he was doing it, I did feel weird and I did feel heavy, but when at the end he finished doing everything that he had to do, now it feels very light. I don't feel anything that there's something on my nail.
Good morning, and I am ready for the day. So who doesn't like to start their birthday with the gifts? And they are all lined up here for me. So I'm gonna show you. I actually opened them all last night out of my curiosity, because I couldn't wait, because I know that some of the things that are here I've been waiting for a long time. So let me show you what I got. Okay guys, here are all my gifts, and this is a collection of books that I have always wanted. So I got all of them here. We already have The Secret, and then Tanya took me shopping and she got me all these Clinique for Men products, and then I got the home automation system here because that's what I have been wanting for a very long time. And then Tanya also got me some shoes, which are really cool, and I'm gonna show you them when I wear them tonight. So and I'm gonna show them to you when I wear them tonight for our dinner. And for now, this baby is waiting, not that one, to go out and poop. So we are gonna take him out, come back, and see you guys then. And I'm back, and it's time to reveal the greatest gift actually. So the story behind the gift is that Tanya already bought this as my birthday gift a little bit in advance for me, but I never shared it because it was a birthday gift and I wanted to share it on my birthday. So let me show you what that is. And there it is. So yes, I am a proud owner of iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 gigs, and I love this phone absolutely. And I'm gonna put the clips here. So we are gonna go enjoy our tea while you guys watch how this happened.
Babe, happy birthday.
It's alright tonight in bright moonlight. You know there's something to be happy about. When I sing my song, will I right it wrong or two? I'm ready to shout about it.
We are off to our massage. And it's raining a little bit, so I have to put my phone inside.
What a good life, I bet you know we can make up for wrongs.
We don't wanna miss a chance to break some wicked spells.
And I don't wanna waste this life.
And you don't wanna lose this time. We don't wanna miss the chance to be
Show and tell.
It's alright tonight in bright moonlight. You know there's something to be happy about. When I sing my song, will I right it wrong?
We are here, and the place is very clean, very nice, very tidy. It's beautiful. Look at the Christmas tree behind me. And I'm gonna shoot as much as we can, but of course, like, I'm not gonna shoot once we are in, so we are gonna share our experience once we are done.
We are sitting in a lounge here, and it's so soothing, comforting, and it's so good, relaxing to sit here. So yeah, we're just waiting here and get ready for a massage.
Will it right or wrong or two? I'm ready to shout about it. It's alright tonight in bright moonlight. You know there's something to be happy about. When I sing my song, will I right it wrong or two? I'm ready to shout about it. Happy and free, happy and free, happy and free.
Okay guys, so we are done with our massage and we are going home, and the massage was so relaxing. I'm glad we got it done now, because otherwise we won't be able to leave the house. So we are going home, and we are gonna be at home for some time, and then in the evening we are gonna go out. So we'll see you guys then. Finally opening these boxes here just to see the color and the things that I got inside. But as I said before, that I'm gonna do a separate video on how you can do an automation by yourself of lights and stuff in your house if you want to do that. And it's gonna be a really cool video because I'm gonna do it by myself for the very first time. It's no rocket science. You don't have to be tech savvy to do it. So that's why I wanted to do a video from the scratch. I'm just looking at all the equipments right now that I got, and when I do the video, I'll put the, you guys can go. So you don't need to be very tech savvy for doing this kind of stuff in your house, for doing automation and stuff. So I'm gonna do a separate video, and so you guys can see how easy or hard it's gonna be. But I'm super excited to do this. I'm not doing it right now just because there's one more package that is supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So let me show you. So this is a starter kit, and I'm gonna put the link of everything in the description box. And this starter kit has dimmable bulbs, so they are really good to be in your bedroom for your night lamps. And look at that, so you can actually control your lights. And I'm gonna show Tanya everything because she's getting mad that I have not been opening anything so far. So this is how it looks. And this is the color I got for Alexa. This is super cool. One thing I want to tell you, I know you have to plug in your Alexa, which is a little bit less cool because you would want something like this that you can carry, but for extra 30 bucks or so you get a base that you can put your Alexa on, and this gets charged. So you get like a base charger thing. So if you want to carry your Alexa with you anywhere you're going, you can buy that. I'm just gonna use this for full home automation, so that's not something that I was looking, so I didn't get it. That's it.